Okay, so today I have a pretty cool video. It is me with all three of my cars. Okay. I finally got it done. I want to give you a little backstory about who I am. I've had the nickname Brand Flakes ever since I can remember. It just stuck through elementary. Every time I was playing video games, my username would always be Brand Flakes. To this day, my in-game name for League of Legends is Brand Flakes. So that's a little origin about me. I got into cars like everyone else around my age. Need for Speed Most Wanted was peak, in my opinion. Midnight Club Dub Edition, watching Fast and Furious, especially Tokyo Drift. I think that's where my love of JDM cars came from. And now that I have adult money, ta-da. So I just want to go over three of my cars today, a little bit how I got them and what's been done to them. Yeah, so you have a bit more of an insight about who I am and me sharing my automotive journey or my love for cars. First up, we have my 2009 Honda Fit. This is a 5-speed. I got this car 3 years ago, and I was looking for a daily. I was daily driving my 2018 STI. The gas was just so expensive on those things. If you put anything less than 94 in those things, the motor is made out of glass, so you got to be very careful with them. Picked this thing up for, I think it was like 6 or 7K, and it kind of just fell into my hands. I was on Facebook Marketplace and I saw it, I looked at it. It's a manual Honda Fit, 2009, it's the GE8 chassis. The only mods I've done is an HPS intake, Apple CarPlay head unit, and LED lights all around, and that's it, literally. What I love about the Fit is how cheap it is to maintain, and it's so good on gas, like incredibly good. I think a full tank is about 40 bucks right now, and I get around 450 to 500 kilometers. It does amazing in winter, and I couldn't be happier. Now, it is in rough shape. It has some rust from this last winter. I did park it outside, and it is kind of getting bad. I did want to mod this thing, but I think my plans are changing now, so we'll see. It's a little dirty, don't mind the mess. It is my daily, all right, can't blame me. I will detail it soon, but there she is, pretty basic. 5-speed manual Honda Fit with Apple CarPlay head unit. That's it. All right, and now a little rev for the Honda Fit. Next up, this is my 2013 Subaru BRZ. I got it 3 months ago, 2 months ago. This is the project car. This will be the track car. Obviously, it's not the fastest thing around, but this is so much fun to drive. The car came with V-Land taillights and a third brake light, slotted rotors rear, and a Willwood big brake kit, and steel braided brake lines, and I believe it has a open flash tablet tune. Recently, and this lip needs to be fixed, but I will order a new one soon. That's just cosmetics, nothing too crazy. Recently, I did a Greddy Evo GT catback, Tane Flexi coilovers, and TE37 SLs in gunmetal. They look amazing. This transformed the car so much. This is probably one of my favorite mods I've done to this car, and it looks so good. Like, look at that. That just looks amazing. There it is. Pretty straightforward stuff, nothing too crazy as well. It's push to start, which is really cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The owner took good care of it. It has some rough spots here and there. For example, there was a crazy wrap on top of this. But this pops out. There's that. It's not perfect, but again, it is a project car, so that's what I am excited about. One of the main reasons why I got this BRZ was I really want to track this here, or tried to. Tracking the GTR, I think, is overkill, especially when I am totally new. So definitely gonna get some track pads for this thing, maybe a sticker tire, and see how it handles. I've heard nothing but good things about these cars, and it's a great way to learn. And I agree, so far it's been amazing. Last but not least, this is my dream car. It's been a dream car ever since I can remember. It's still surreal to me that I have this car. I bought it 3 years ago at a dealership, and I was scrolling through Facebook, I think it was, or Auto Trader, one of those two, and it came up. I made an appointment to go see it. I was at the dealer for 3 hours just looking at it. I didn't even test drive it. But 2 hours in, the guy gave me the keys and was like, go for a drive. And he didn't come with me, so I just test drove the car by myself, and I knew I had to get it. I missed my old STI, but it was worth trading it in. Just look at it, man. This color, honestly, originally I wanted dark blue, but I fell in love with this color immediately. I remember being on the fence about it, and my friend just saying, look, if it doesn't make you homeless, just get it. And I did. So outside, it looks pretty stock. And it is, besides the big wing, but I've done quite a few mods in terms of power. All right, I'll start from the front to back and try to remember what I've done. First up, Cobb 3-inch intakes, GT1R AOS, 1050cc injectors, fuel pressure sensor, fuel pressure regulator. I'm not on flex fuel because where I live there's no E85, but I want to go E85 so badly. I think it's an AEM fuel pump, catalyst downpipes, and HKS catback. This thing is loud and it's fast. I think my tuner said 700 horsepower. It was like 6 something to the wheels. So yeah. Inside I have a 2017 Nismo Alcantara steering wheel, magnetic paddle shifters, tux mats, and all interior lights have been updated to LEDs. The one thing I don't like about this car is the sound system. It's pretty ass for how much you're paying for a car. But again, it's a GTR. You don't get it for the sound system. You get it for this thing, the VR38. I am a little sad though that this is rubbing off. Maybe I'll touch it up one day, but we'll see. And has a giant APR wing at the back. And because when you go APR wing, you lose your third brake light, I got a JDM diffuser with a flashing third brake light there. Oh, and dial dynamics tail is turned. Yeah, it just looks so good.
I can't do it for too long. That's way too loud.
There you have it. These are all 3 of my cars. Yeah, obviously I want to get more, but space and money are always going to be an issue. Well, that's my collection. We have the Honda Fit as a daily or the beater. We got the BRZ, which is the project car, the track car, something for me to learn on and have fun with. I've got the Garage Queen. This looks so good though, I'm not gonna lie. Thank you so much for watching another video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment down below, subscribe. I don't like how it's silver. Those 2 cars are silver. I want something more colorful, but oh well. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe, peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.